Yeah, so to be honest, I will do it anyway. I will share with you my history, my real account, anything I want. I will. Yeah, I know that I'm risking my account with IQ option. It's not allowed for me to share with you my real account. If you are VIP, you know that you are not allowed to share your real account with the public because of some security issues. IQ option will block your account, but I will do it anyway. I will trade just for you guys. So if you appreciate this effort, you can like or subscribe and to this video or do whatever you want, just as support. Yeah. So as you can see, we opened the trade with $150. We are making 105. Yeah, $105. Yeah, as you already know, our subscribers already know that we use only our strategy, the binagital strategy, in this channel. Only the binagital strategy. You can learn, as always, this strategy I'm using in this channel from the course in the description below. Every detail about this binagital strategy is mentioned in the course in the description below. It will be a little bit not hard, but it will take you some time, perhaps a week or two, to understand the basics of the binagital strategy. But once you master it, you will be able to predict the movement of every candle and the color of every candle, just by using those, yeah, by using those two indicators and some money management system. It will be easy for you. Yeah, some people will master it faster than the others. It depends on the effort you are willing to put on this strategy. If you are willing to work hard, for example, 8 hours a day, trying to understand every aspect of this strategy, it will be easy for you and you will make profit faster. Yeah, so I advise you guys to learn the binagital strategy if you want to be successful in the binary option. This binagital strategy is my own creation. I advise you to learn it. Yeah, there is some good strategies out there to trade binary option, but I don't advise you to learn basics and yeah, just by trading by basics. No, I want you to learn a good strategy and then master that strategy. So with time, you will be able to avoid risks. That's all you want to do. Avoid risks, guys. You don't want to risk your balance. I have 12,000, almost. I have $13,000. Um, I'm not ready to risk this balance, even if it's a little bit. It's little for me. It's not too much, since it's been just a week since I started. I withdrew all my money from this account and started from zero, just perhaps a week or two, I remember. But yeah, I don't want you to risk your balance, guys. I want you to be 100% sure that every position you open is a winning position, is a winning trade. That's what I want you to do. I don't want you to be suspicious about your trades. If you are like a little bit suspicious, I advise you to stop. Go look for a good strategy. Practice more. Try to learn more about the binary option strategies that are out there. Just yeah. So the first thing you need to look at, guys, is not to risk your balance. Avoid the risk. Your first enemy is the risk. Please don't risk your money or your balance, and look for a good strategy. You, to avoid, you have to choose between losing money or losing time. For me, I will choose losing time, guys. I don't want to lose money. I will sacrifice my time to learn in order to avoid losing my money. I will lose my time. Yeah, so let's change the assets. Yeah, Australian dollar, USD. Sometimes you will find different signals in different assets, but you need to be consistent. You need to take a closer looks, and yeah, choose the best ones. Avoid doubts. If you have a little bit of doubts, guys, just avoid it. Avoid the asset. Go to another one. Trade there. Yeah, as you can see, this one is perfect. Yeah. Just practice the binagital strategy, guys. Learn it, give it some time. You will do the same. You will do good. Promise you. Yeah, and I hope everybody will learn it. Yeah, it's not a hard strategy to learn, but you need some time. I guess we'll stop it.